Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our people on YouTube. How you guys doing today on this, what is it, Thursday? Thursday, 26th of December, day after Christmas. Happy holidays. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys got everything from Santa Claus you guys needed. Um, what's, as you guys could see, we have a picture of the United States. And you might see a little spot right there, Houston. So as I get a little bit ready, cause I got started sooner than what I wanted to. But let me kind of, as we get ready, let's see. Hold on. Okay. So it's Houston. So I'll explain to you guys in a little bit. Give me a couple moments so I could get everything taken care of, corrected, the lighting. But you guys won't be an empty pause. You will hear some good, great music from our DJ Rectangle. But like I said, this is in Houston. We'll go over to the El Paso, Texas market, and we also keep in mind this could be utilized in all markets. And one of the reasons why we use this tool is, okay, yeah, Angel, I'll check my DMs right now. I thought I saw something about a deal or something like that, right? Yeah, I'll double check that right now. What this tool has been able to help us track and keep the market to see where the market is going. We know if the market's going up, down, or sideways, because in any direction the market is going up, down, or sideways, there is ways to make money. And knowing that from the get go helps you prepare yourself and give you a game plan of how you're going to do something. You don't go on a camping trip or in a hiking without having a map, without having none of that, and expect to get home safely. So same thing with real estate investment. You need to know what you're getting yourself into, or if it's even worth getting yourself into. And this tool has been helping us a lot, and I mean a lot. This last couple of years, commercial that we went, not commercial, natural, nationwide. We went nationwide, being able to utilize this system because it helps us know where the deals are going. So let me guys show you guys right now. These Well, I'm gonna kind of show up a little bit as we do this. Hold on. So this is what people consider or call ghost inventory. People don't know. Not many people know how to negotiate and get the ghost inventory, because they're either going, depending on the state that you're in, or depending on the city. Oh well, the state. You're gonna have your foreclosures. It's either gonna be a judicial foreclosure or a non-judicial foreclosure. So right now, our numbers and our system and our data that we're pulling, we're paying hundreds of dollars to get. It's showing us that Houston is getting an infrastructure, a flood load open, like they opened the gates of the floods, and like the flood that they had, but now they're gonna have a flood of foreclosures. That's pretty bad. Not to mention, that's not even considering our national reset that's predicted to happen. And a lot of the data does show that it will happen. You know what I mean? This is the real estate. This is real estate. It could be this tool could be used for real estate. It could be used for mapping out neighborhoods based on information given to you by the census. So this real estate is, I'm talking about foreclosures, either pre-foreclosures or post-foreclosures or post foreclosures, because that's a process, that's a mill within itself. So what we did, we have access to databases of this information, analyze and be able to see where the market is going. So not only did we pinpoint them, so it gives us I'm gonna kind of go into a little bit sooner, closer. So we're able to go into pinpoints, but the pinpoints the color cushions, what represents is a price range. Like that, we are able to go into. Let me give you guys. You see, so this right here, all the yellows. Okay, hold on. So you see how all the yellows are right here, and greens are over here. So those are different price ranges. So let's say you get a green somewhere where yellow, like right here. That represents that this is has a high ARV in a low community. You know what I mean? So you're able to take all that information and you're able to create a game plan. You're able to start skip tracing. You're able to start doing your marketing campaigns, your emails, your yellow cards, all that aspects of it. So that is what's happening right now in Houston, the whole city. And like I said, we're not in that market yet. But with that information, it's telling us that we need to be in that market. We need to jump into that market. Through helping people get their credit fixed correctly so they could move and get another property going, or live somewhere else, or get them capital that's owed to them, or be able to give them some type of information or knowledge, or not only that, but also be able to go buy these properties. So like I said, you see how right here, hold on, let me show you guys so you guys can see. So let me go back a little bit. So each pin cushion, if you guys could see, each pin cushion represents a price range. The red is the lowest, so it's from $0 to $48,000. Those two houses over here. So the blue is from 125 to 174, meaning that these houses are ranging from 90,000 up to 175,000, and then you have yourself one that's for under $48,000, $49,000. That's a deal that you would go after. You would market. You would do what you would have to do to be able to secure that deal and do what you're going to do. Either you're going to wholesale it, you're going to hotel it, are you going to fix and flip it, are you going to do a burr, are you going to buy and hold it, you know what I mean? What are you going to do? But at least you have a plan in the direction of what you're going. And what we needing is, like I said, we could do this in every market, and we want to jump into every market, and we're going to jump into every market. And we need more people that are active in those markets. We're willing to put up sweat equity, run the numbers, tell guys the leads, do all this stuff. If somebody has the actual contractors in place, are actually doing deals in their country, in their city, people that they could help us, let's partner up, let's collaborate, let's close deals. Like I said, we're not limited to Texas, not Houston, El Paso. Right now, I'm going to show you guys El Paso, how this system, once you correctly put all the information that's needed. Let's see, okay. So right now, I'm going to show you that. That's a different system of how I set it up. Because there you're seeing balls and pin cushions. And hopefully you guys are getting ideas of what you guys could do with the right tools. Okay? So here you have pin cushions and circles. What that represents, the pin cushions are REOs, properties that are the bank took, a hedge fund, government entity, whatever that was, they took them. This is here for our city in El Paso, Texas. They took them back. The circles represents an investor that paid cash for those properties. Because you could also be a deal architect, a matchmaker, you know what I mean? Deals, lock them, I sign them fast, quick, and easy. You know what I mean? So, you could see the property's worth $116. There's another one worth $89. Who owns it? Then you have the person that bought it. Boom. You know what I mean? So you're able to do a lot more deals. like I said, we want to get into a lot. We're going to get into a lot more markets, but we need investors that would like to collaborate with us. People right now are probably thinking, how much is it going to cost me? No, it's not going to cost you nothing. We're going to collaborate and we're going to use your tools, my tools, our resources to get these deals done. And when we close, at closing, when we make money together as a team, not just you by yourself. So we could do this in all the markets. So if you want to do deals and you're doing deals, but you just don't know where to get them, how to secure them, or even if you just want to do an additional one, we're going to talk about the compounding effect. If you're doing 3 deals and we bring you 2 more deals, that's a total of 5 deals, but you only did 3, but you're going to get paid for 5. You get 3 or 4 more people. It's kind of like the multi-levels thing, but it works, but not multi-level because we're not bringing and signing out anybody up. We're not having them pay anything. We're working as a collaboration and compounding and working and closing deals. And the only way we make money is as soon as we close and we make the deal. So we're going to jump into a lot of markets. Texas being our bread and butter. We have deals in San Antonio. I don't know if you guys have seen them, but we have deals in San Antonio. Working on some deals right now in El Paso. We love the Florida market, Arizona, South Carolina. But like I said, we're going to hit the road for the 50 states. 2 years ago, when we started the 50 state challenge, where we wanted to do at least 1 deal per state, we were doing well, man. We were in a very, very, very good momentum. One thing that actually we actually fell on top of the world. Man, we were actually doing well, but then life hits you. Life says, "Oh yeah, you ready for this?" And you want to play God, and you say, "Go for it, give me your best shot," and and you get hit. You get hit, and it took longer to get up this time than usual. But the good thing is that we're getting up. Life hit. Life happens. Family issues. My father passed away. Battling a lot of issues, demons within myself. Drug addictions. Actually had a overdose of all the stuff that I was going through. Actually overdose. And that was within the last year and a half. So life hit me pretty hard, and like I said, it hit me where I wasn't doing much real estate. I didn't feel worthy, going that route. I hit a dark hole. But it is through those dark travels that you get some light, you get some inspiration, you get some guidance and direction. And yesterday being Christmas was one of those days that everything hit like boom, it just hit in place. It clicked. And I need to, and I'm not, like I said, it hit hard. Months since it took me to get back up. I'm getting back up. I go, we're still moving, we're doing construction, we're still doing our asset staying for, we're still doing our credit repair and restoration, our lending, our real estate. We're still doing all that stuff, but yet I was still have to battle life issues, and that was hard. That was a demon within itself that was that was lingering. And it didn't let me appreciate and be thankful for some of those things. I was actually kind of resentful and pissed and heartbroken. But it happens, life happens, but you have to keep moving. You have to understand your why, your goal, why you're moving forward, who's the reason why you're moving forward. And when you figure that out, you kind of get back to the basics. You kind of get back to your blueprints. You get back into the information that made you who you were and how you were doing it and how you could do it more. And like I said, that is where we're looking to partner up with more people and be able to close more deals. And like I said, it's not about the money. We'll make the money some way, somehow. And I said, I'm not selling you anything. I'm actually want to partner up and offering you my services free of charge, my experiences, just for us to close more deals and to show you that this system works, man. This system works. But like I said, a tool without being used is a worthless tool. It gets rusted, it breaks. So hopefully, thank you for coming, spending time with you. You know, let's partner up. Reach out to me. Add yourself to our cash buyers active list. You know, not even, you don't have to be an active cash buyer. You can just be a regular conventional buyer. 401k, IRA. You know, 1031 exchange. You know, life insurance. Whatever you're doing. You know, whatever type of buyer you are. You know what I mean? Like I said, we're gonna be jumping into other markets, and as soon as we lock deals with people that do them, we're gonna be pushing them out, and we want to make sure that you get first dibs on the properties, because we're not going to be having a lot of the problem that I've been seeing for the last few months, a lot of daisy chaining. Like I said, we're going to be restricting the property from being shared from other people besides the people in the group or in the chat. So with that being said, peace, love, and abundance always be with thee. We have to finish the year strong so we can start a strong 2020. Talk to you guys later.